Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup and uncovering some of the most common mistakes people make and, more importantly, how to correct them. So grab your makeup bag, and let's get started. Let's talk about mismatched foundation. This is one of the biggest culprits that can make your makeup look unnatural. To avoid this mistake, always test the foundation on your jawline, and don't forget to consider your undertone. You want your foundation to disappear into your skin. We have overdoing blush. While a pop of color is great, too much can lead to a clown-like appearance. Instead, start with a light hand and build the product gradually. Also, apply it on the apples of your cheeks and blend outwards for a natural flush. Frame your face, so don't neglect them. Not filling them in properly can throw off your entire makeup look. Use a pencil or powder that matches your hair color and fill in any sparse areas. Remember to brush them out for a soft finish. Mistake is forgetting to set your makeup. Without a good setting spray or powder, your makeup could fade or slide off throughout the day. A quick spritz or dust can keep everything in place, giving you a long-lasting look. Your waterline can sometimes make your eyes appear smaller. If you want to brighten your eyes, try using a nude or white pencil instead. This simple switch opens up your eyes and gives a more awake look. Camera pans out and soft music starts, and there you have it. 5 common makeup mistakes and how to fix them. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself, so don't stress too much. If you found these tips helpful, please share this video with your friends and drop a comment below with your favorite makeup hack. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Ends with logo and social media handles.